How to order HelloFresh for a special occasion. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you planning a special meal? Well, here is how to order HelloFresh for a special occasion using the mobile app. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open the HelloFresh app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now, here, once you're inside the app, you can just select a meal plan that fits your occasion, like family friendly or quick and easy one. And after that, you can simply browse recipes and select meals perfect for your celebration. And after that, you can use the add meals feature to include extra dishes and sides. And after that, you can simply choose the delivery date that aligns with your special day and review your order. And once you're done with that, you simply have to enter payment details to confirm. And now you will be all set for a delicious special occasion with HelloFresh. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.